Okay, so what is Loom? Why should you care and how do you do it? Loom is a screen recording tool that's super fast. So as you'll see in a quick second, you push a button, it starts recording, you push another button, it stops recording, and it uploads the video so that you can just immediately share it. So that's why you should care. Um, how do we do it? Let's do it. So I'm gonna share my desktop here, go. And then I'm going to just turn it on. So I'm going to go Loom, open it up, however you open up computer programs on your computer. And as soon as it opens, what we're going to see is this top screen appear. Now, the first time you do it, you'll have to like log in. This will be a login screen instead. But what you see here is you see this little picture of me is down here. And you can choose to share your camera, your desktop screen and your camera, just your screen or your camera. You can change some various settings here. And then you can hit the start recording button. Now this will be double recording, so it might make my computer a little funny. But it gives you a little 3, 2, 1 countdown. And so now it's recording. So now I'm recording on Loom, and you get some different controls over here. You've got something to like just kind of change the video around, and to stop the recording, we'll push this at the end. You've also got a little pencil here, so you can, draw boxes around things, or you can kind of draw little arrows in the middle of a video that you're recording. And then when you're done with your recording, you push the stop button, and it immediately, like all I did was push the stop button, and now it comes over here and I've got this video that I can now share with the world. So really quickly, just to share, you would either grab the link, so you copy the link, so that would be just that URL right up there, or you can grab the embed HTML code, and I've got another video about how to do that.